Hi, my name's Jamie at Precision Oven Cleaning, and I wanted to just address one of the questions I often get asked by my customers on a weekly basis is, do self-clean ovens clean themselves? The answer to that is, and from my experience, is they don't. This is a traditional oven. This isn't self-clean, but it is a traditional oven. But I'll just show you inside the parts that, from my experience, self-clean ovens just don't manage to do. So the side walls in here, just behind these racks, there always is going to be a carbon build-up. No matter what oven you have, whether it's self-clean or a standard oven, you'll always get a build-up of carbon on the sides and the base of the oven. The self-clean ovens that I clean physically do not get hot enough, and in most cases the actual carbon build-up is too much for that process to actually work effectively to clean the oven. So the only way really, from my experience, to clean a self-clean oven is to get it professionally cleaned. Many thanks for watching.